Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Mach TV, and on this week's episode we've got something really special for you. One of our very good customers, Dave, has returned to us today with a new car, and we're going to do some really cool upgrades on this thing, but we'll get to that in a minute. Before we go anywhere with this car, Dave has already had two cars built by us. He built Rosie, which is now in Cyprus, and he's built the Mach Bullet, the original Mach Bullet, which is still tearing up the roads of the UK somewhere. So without further ado, here's Dave's new Mach 1. So, for the Mach 1, Dave's opted for the new Velgen VF9 wheels in gunmetal grey. These are going to look awesome on this car. They're brand new for summer 2021. Wrapped in some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, these are going to look awesome. Along with the wheels, we've also got Steeda's best range of springs going on this car. The Steeda Dual Ray Ultimate Handling Springs. These springs are the best springs you can have on any Magna Ride equipped car. They are true track, street, fast road handling springs that give the best response of the vehicle. So in true Dave fashion, the car's come straight from the dealership this morning, and we're not kidding. He has literally picked the car up today and brought it straight to us for some mods. So we're just going to run you through some key changes to the Mustang under the new Mach 1 model. Starting at the engine, the oil cooler, which was previously cooled by coolant, has been obviously removed, so there's no worry of that anymore. We've got an external oil cooler in this wheel arch, a Tremec gearbox in here, with an external oil cooler for the transmission fluid. So straight away, this car out of the box is track ready. You could take this on a track and you're not going to have no issues with temperatures anywhere. Because as we move on to the rear, we've also got another external oil cooler. Come with me. So in here, we've also got the Torsen differential with an external oil cooler. Cooling mad, so insane. And as you can see as well under here, we've got a lot of different plastics, which is all functional aero for cooling. So through here you've got the scoops which take it up to the differential cooler. Crazy car. But yeah, let's make it a little bit better and get these springs and wheels on. And then we've also got a full four-wheel alignment, because as you know, we don't do things by halves here. So as always on our cars guys, we install the Steeda IRS base kit. Now on the GT350R subframe, which is essentially what this is, the subframe bushers where it mounts to the car are much stiffer from Ford, so there's no need to install the Steeda IRS base subframe support bushings. So all we're installing is the alignment sleeves, because there's still a gaping hole there with a small bolt. So let's take that room away and just upgrade that chassis just that little bit more. Now at the front of the vehicle, all the springs are now installed. Still no camber adjustment on Mustang, so camber bolts still the way forward. This allows us full adjustment when we're aligning the car. So once this is on, put the wheels on and get onto the four-wheel jump setup. So as you can see guys, the car's all finished. Dave loves it, it looks awesome, so it's time to send him on his way and let him enjoy it. Dave's given us a list of parts for next time he's here. Not really anything major, just some suspension stuff, so like toe links, vertical links, awesome turbos, some side markers and a fog light. So not really too crazy at all. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, that's it for this video. Subscribe for more episodes and we'll see you in the next one.